Talent Search Cymru is back.
So this song, it's not really well known. It's a country song that someone I loved very dearly showed to me years and years ago. And I think I like it because the words I genuinely think could like resonate with anybody in this room who's tried to make it somewhere. And then the guitar, I only learned to play about 6 months ago, so I'm quite nervous about the guitar. But it was my dad's, and he passed away 5 years ago from a brain tumour, so I've never played his guitar. So I'm like, but I'll give it a go.
Down. I didn't. I was really, really moved by the performance. It was just really beautiful. There's nothing else I can say. It was just absolutely beautiful. And I was just mesmerised. You are a special talent. You really are.
Zoe? You had me in tears
Oscar, and like Hel said, it was so touching and just heartwarming and so pretty and beautiful. I loved it. The only thing I did right, and that was before you started singing, and it was, I love the fact that you bought an acoustic guitar for Acoustic Week. It was fine, you wouldn't have known. It was honestly such a beautiful performance. Like, you really are a star. Like, you were so special, and I just hope you know that. Well done.
Track. This is I cry all the time, so I don't want to sing anything new. It's been really hard for me to actually articulate myself on the panel today because really, and this is just a general thing. You've all, I thought someone had spiked me or something, but you've all been coming up here and giving out, really nailing Acoustic Week, giving all these amazing, emotional performances that have just racked me to my core, and I can't even word how much I appreciate it. Lily, I can't tell you how extraordinary that was. I think it was. I can't tell you how proud I am of you for having the courage to come out and do that. A song that means so much to you, with a guitar that, you know, you would only learn to play for like 6 months. I don't want to hit you with this. I don't want to hit you with this line, Lily. But goddamn, your dad.
I know.
I don't know if you believe in this stuff, but I do. He's looking down. He's proud of you, baby. He's very proud of you. Well done. Well done.
Lily, look, what you just did there, right? You brought your personal connection to the game. And let me explain, like over the last couple of weeks, a few weeks ago, I believe it was at the auditions, I said about you being a rough diamond. This is why. What you just done there, you just created your moment. That was you as Lily and what you could do after this competition. Honest to God, that was a complete different league. You know, it was one of the reasons why we put this process together, you know, nearly 10 years ago, is for these special moments. And what you just done there, you just give us the exact reason why I get up every day and want to help talent and find talent and things. That was amazing. Special. It was special, Lily, and you are a star, and you've proven that point now with this performance, all right? You should be really proud. The way to end Acoustic Week, and you did it like that, that was spectacular. Honest to God, we have found a star. Apply now at www.musicwales.org.